Good afternoon, everyone. I've got 3 minutes, 4 slides to help you guys make more money. Are you guys okay with that? 3 minutes, 4 slides to help you make more money. Are you guys okay with that? Yes. Okay, what is this right here? Unfortunately, this is most of your marketing plan for your next open house. I'm not here to be popular. I'm here to help you guys make more money. So what do we want to do? We want to take this and turn it into a checklist, into a system. What is a system for? A system is to help you save yourself time, energy, money. Save yourself time, energy, money. If we are not using systems right now, you are doing a lackluster job of being efficient. Do you guys agree with me? So for open houses, best practices, you should have 3 types of checklists, 3 checklists all in one file. The first one should be before your open house. The next one should be during, and then finally, you guys are as smart as you look. After, before, during, and after. Now, that is one part of it, but the biggest part of the open house is that we make the mistake of thinking about the open house when? An hour before the open house. And what takes a hit is our quality. What you guys have access to through the Miami Association is the highest quality of products and resources, but most importantly, people around to make you stand out from the crowd. So I challenge each of you to make sure that you leverage the vendor resources, the affiliates that you have, whether it is HomeSnap, whether it is Cloud CMA, Brown? Which one? There we go, that one, yes, absolutely. Or if it is one of our quality photography services, make sure you use that so that you are always above and better than the competition. Why? Because it is not your job to be the most beautiful property in the market. That is not your job. Can you guys say, ouch? Your job is to stand out as a real estate professional. So whether you are marketing that dump of a property that's going to only get investor clients or customers, or if it's a multi-million-dollar property, I don't care. You shouldn't care what the property looks like as long as your property, your services look like the orange butterfly. You guys okay with that? How many of you have learned something today from any of the speakers? How many of you are going to implement something this week that's going to make your business better? If you do that, then everything that we have done here at the association will be worth it. And guys, don't be an average agent in the market because you will be lost. Thank you guys.